Hi, I'm Danny from Value Blue. Today I'm going to talk to you about a few handy functions within BlueDolphin that can help you with your work. The first feature is the notification bell. The notification bell tells you when a message on an object has been placed for you. The notification bell can be found in the top right-hand corner next to the menu button. When someone messages you on an object, this will appear in your list of notifications. Click the bell and the list will open. This tab lists all your notifications in chronological order. Bold text means that a message has not yet been read. Click on a message to jump straight to the object and its message. If you want to find old notifications, you can also use the search bar. The notification bell is very handy for quickly switching to objects that require your attention. Next is the previous button. The previous button can be found at the top left of the menu. By clicking on the previous button, you'll go back to the previously visited unique view. If you right-click on the previous button, you'll see a list of clickable links with the previous views that you visited. The history list will show a maximum of the last 10 views. If there's no history present, this button will be disabled. The view history will disappear as soon as you leave the view pages within BlueDolphin. This means it will also disappear if you use a bookmark or click on the Objects page. Let's talk about searching on views. The Searching on Views feature is useful to quickly bring up specific objects within a view, along with their related information. You can find this function in the top menu. Just look for the search icon. Type in the name of the object you're looking for on this particular view, and you'll be taken there directly. Finally, using hyperlinks on a canvas. It can be very helpful to add a hyperlink in a free shape or text box on the canvas. This way, you can connect your view with information that's elsewhere. With one simple click, you can get to the required information. You can add a URL to free shapes or text blocks and then open them by pressing Ctrl and click. The website in the URL will open in another tab, so you can stay on the current view in BlueDolphin.